Hi guys, today we explore Jeep Wrangler car scale model. So let's get start. But first you can enjoy the cinematic shot of this car. So let's talking about car look like show in front. You have to show grill and front bumper that look like real car. Dummy headlights I think is made from transparent glass and main Jeep series car from front generation to last generation or now generation their one design is same which is tire mud cover. This gives car like off-road horse. Talking about color of this car is in nardo gray color. Also, their rims are gloss black color. You can see inside there is a motorsport badging in door with 4x4 logo. This car is comes with 4x4 system. That why you can show there is a 4x4 logo. Let's talking about the feature of this car. In front there is a openable boot. If you open the boot you can show there is a engine bay and it's a very detailed engine bay. You can see the engine head cover, turbocharger flexible pipe, air filter box, coolant tank, battery and much more components like the original car. Let's close the hood. Let's talking about the front bumper and headlights. There is a dummy headlights is made from transparent glass and in bumper there is a painted fog lamp. It's not working. And let's going on backside. There is a tail lights that is painted and there is shape in molding piece over here. Talking about rear bumper, so this is made from plastic and their main body is made from metal. Now their tail and dicky door is made from plastic and you can see there is a spare wheel that look like a other four wheel. There is a rubber tire with extremely high grip. That's why you have to give proper grip in off-roading. You can see there is a small dicky over here and big rear glass along with slide glass. Now open the door and let's check out the interior. You can see there is a long dashboard with steering wheel and instrument cluster plastic. You can see middle there is a gear console and armrest. In front row you have to show us two bucket seats and rear there is a two back seat. And one hidden features in this car which I search, there is a openable roof. You can convert this car in openable and drive in off-road extreme off-roading. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.